Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the third chapter of history of class 9th. The title of the chapter is Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. Nazism was a political ideology which flourished in Germany and influenced world politics. When genocidal war started in Germany under the shadow of the Second World War, it caused killings of millions of people in different inhuman ways. We are going to discuss Nazi ideology, Hitler's politics and its impact on Germany as well as world's socio-political economic system. Birth of the Weimar Republic. Germany was a powerful empire in the early years of 20th century. It fought the First World War alongside the Austrian Empire and against the Allies. Germany made initial gain in the war by occupying France and Belgium. The Allies were strengthened by the US entry in 1917. They defeated Germany and the Central Powers in November 1918. The defeat of Imperial Germany and the resigning of the emperor gave an opportunity to parliamentary parties to recast German polity. A national assembly met at Weimar and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. Deputies were elected to the German parliament on the basis of equal and universal votes cast by all adults, including women. Peace Treaty of Versailles. The peace treaty at Versailles with the Allies was a harsh and humiliating peace. By signing the Peace Treaty of Versailles, Germany lost its overseas colonies, 1/10 of its population, and 13% of its territories. Germany lost 75% of its iron and 26% of its coal to France, Poland, Denmark and Lithuania. Germany had to pay 6 billion pounds as compensation for war. The war guilt clause held Germany responsible for war and damages the Allied countries suffered. Germany lost resource-rich Rhineland to Allied control. Further, the Allied powers demilitarized Germany to weaken its power. Many Germans held the new Weimar Republic responsible for not only the defeat in the war, but the disgrace at Versailles. The effect of the war. The First World War, both psychologically and financially, affected Europe. Europe became a continent of debtors from creditors. The Weimar Republic carried the burden of war guilt and national humiliation. It was forced to pay a huge compensation. That means Germany was forced to pay a huge compensation. Socialists, Catholics, and Democrats who supported the Weimar Republic were criticized and came to be known as November criminals by the conservative nationalists. After the First World War, soldiers were placed above civilians, and the media glorified their trench life. However, the truth was just the opposite. They lived miserable life in trenches. Aggressive war propaganda, national honors, and support grew for conservative dictatorship. At that time in Europe, democracy was a young and fragile idea which could not survive. In the next video, we will discuss about political radicalism and economic crisis and the years of depression.